assisting a resident with a bedpan. I'll wash my hands, knock at the door. Hi, may I come in? Hi, I'm Cindy. I'm your CNA today. May I check your ID band? I see your name is Fran Smith. What may I call you today? Hi, Fran. I'm just here to assist you with the bedpan. Is that all right with you? Okay, great. Let me gather my supplies and I'll be right back. I'll step on the brake and make sure that the bed is locked, and I'll close the curtain for privacy. Hi, I'm back. I'll put the linen bag on the bed, and I'll put my barrier down first on the table, and making sure that the table is covered. Okay, and then now I can take everything off and put it right here on the table. Okay, all right, Fran, I'm going to come around and put the side rail up, because I will be turning her. And now I'll put the bed up to a good working height for me, which is waist level. Now I'll sanitize and put my gloves on. Okay. All right. So on the count of 3, I'm just going to roll you over, Miss Fran, or not Miss Fran, Fran, no miss. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and there you go. What I'm going to do now is place one of the towels behind her. Open the towel on the bed, please. There you go. Okay. All right. And the evaluator does need to see what you're doing, so you have to expose her a little bit. Now I'll take the bedpan. And remember, the fracture pan, the handle is pointing towards the feet. So put the bedpan on. I don't want you to set it down on the towel and then turn her over on it. I want you to actually take the bedpan and set it on her and bring her back. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to take my gloves off. Sanitize my hands, throw that in the garbage. Sanitize my hands and just check to make sure that she is on the bedpan, and she looks great. So, I'm going to leave the room for a few minutes to give her some privacy. I'll put the bed down. I'll give her her call light and the toilet paper, and I will let her know that I will be back in 5 minutes or as soon as I hear from her. So I will go outside. Oh, and I see the call light on. I come back. Oh, hi, Fran. I see you're through. Correction, before I leave the first time, I would sit her up to 90 degrees. Because obviously she can't go to the bathroom when she's lying down, right? So before I leave, I would sit her up to 90 degrees. Okay, so now I've come back in. I see that she is ready. I ask if she would like to wash her hands, and she says yes. So I give her the washcloth, and then I take the washcloth with my linen bag, so I don't want to touch it, because I don't have my gloves on yet, because I can't touch the bed controls with my gloves on. So I'm going to take the call button away. I will put the bed up now to a good working height for me, and I will lower the head of the bed at this point. Now I'm going to sanitize and put my gloves on again. Okay, I have my gloves on. I'm going to, as soon as I turn her, I'll get my barrier ready. That's my third towel. I have my barrier ready. As soon as I turn her, I do have my gloves on, I will take that bedpan and put it on the barrier. Now I'm going to take the toilet paper, and you have to do this. If you don't do this, you won't be successful on your skill. I'm going to wipe, put it in the bedpan. Now I'm going to take the towel that's behind her. Again, I do have my gloves on at this point. Put it on top of the bedpan. Now I'm going to take one glove, and I am going to put this on just to show you. I'm going to take one glove off, so I have one glove on. And at this point, I'm going to put this gloved hand behind my back. I'm going to turn her. I'm going to make sure she's covered. I'm going to put the bed down because I'm going into the bathroom to empty that bedpan. And whenever you leave, you have to put the bed down. I'm going to give her call light, just like you're doing your closing procedure. Put the call light within reach. Now I'm going to take my gloved hand into the bathroom, wherever they say the bathroom is, and take this towel that covered the bedpan, put it in the linen bag, put this barrier in the linen bag, okay? And at this point I will take this glove off, sanitize my hands, and re-glove. So now I have gloves on both hands. And I'm just going to check the contents of the bedpan. Make sure there's no blood. And now I'll empty it into the toilet, and I'll take a cup of water and put it in the bedpan, empty it 3 times, 3 cups of water. Here's my 3rd cup of water. Again, I still have my gloves on. Okay, set this down. Now I'm going to take my gloves off, sanitize my hands, and take this and put the last clean towel on the bedpan and put it underneath in their bedside table. And then I'm through with my skill now. She has her call light, the bed's down. I'm going to open the curtain, wash my hands, record and report.